Tesla AI team involves in testing Tesla's semi-truck with full self-driving technology. Tesla says they have an all-electric Tesla semi-truck in their fleet that has operated for less than 18 months and it already has driven over 25k miles in that time frame. And those miles have all been done at North American gross vehicle weight limit. And Tesla semi proves that electric truck can replace diesel truck with production beginning in 2025 and bulk of ramp in 2026. Best part of this semi is it has active safety feature and a central seating position that enhance traction, stability and visibility.